Questa è la prima volta effettivamente si organizza una convention così importante in Italia. Effettivamente si dovrebbe tornare ancora di più in Italia, venire qui per far conoscere sempre di più questa realtà che è molto importante.
How could I not attend a visit to Italy and especially Milan? I have been a member of IGLTA since 1992, 30 years. I thrive on the atmosphere within IGLTA. I thrive, for me it's an extraordinary networking conference and there are some amazingly smart people.
So I was excited to come to Milan and experience what the Italian version of IGLTA would be like.
I'm just so excited to be here. I had to come. I didn't know if I was going to make it at first, but the opportunity came.
Già diversi anni che ci occupiamo del turismo gay in Italia, è una bellissima destinazione e abbiamo già diverse esperienze, però effettivamente ci mancava questo networking che IGLTA ci permette ed oggi è una grandissima e bellissima occasione per noi per avere non solo un confronto con tante persone che si occupano del nostro business e sono nel business del turismo, ma anche effettivamente una guida per quanto riguarda le tendenze prossime e future.
I wanted to experience a different country, wanted to experience the convention in a different city, so yeah, that's why I chose to be here.
Bueno, yo asistí a la convención en Milán porque la verdad es que nos hacía muchísima ilusión que tras la pandemia intentamos poder entrar en la convención en Atlanta, no pudimos a causa de COVID, pero la verdad es que nos hacía mucha ilusión formar parte de esta familia y poder volver un poco a ver caras conocidas, a podernos volver a relacionar y sobre todo, como no, a poder mantener contacto con la IGLTA.
I meet absolutely awesome people. I learn an awful lot. I network with what I term key people who can help me in my business and help me as a thought leader in this platform.
Well, I was so much looking forward to attending a convention again, especially after the hard situation due to the COVID pandemic. And the thing is that the LGBTQ plus segment is paramount for us, for our international promotion. So it's to Spain, you know, that's the reason why we wanted to come back to the convention after many years without being able to participate here, with the support also of Tour Spain and Valencia.
It's just when everybody has all that excitement. They haven't seen each other maybe a year or more, and so when everyone gets together at that, it's always a fantastic venue. So in fact, I'm looking forward to that tonight.
I think another important part is the opportunities beyond the conference that happens as a result of building relationships and making new friends, and I call it extended family. But no, I think all of that, when you put all that in a pot and stir it up, it's like an amazing combination of an opportunity to, you know, to expand your expertise, expand your relationships at a global level.